What's up, bag holders? Happy Tuesday to you. Market up or down? The market was up, so no flips. And our gold did trigger. Let's go down here to the hourly. And we were able to pick some up this morning. So we're in profits. Everything's cool. Um, silver, we've still just been kind of hanging out, but it's really not buried that much. And we're looking to buy these and just haven't had an opportunity. So that's commodity game. Let's go through and see if we have any sell orders to put in. It's kind of a weird rotation. We've had the market up. Oh, we did get our first dividend here from QQQY. So we're getting some yield. Remember, we have the $5 put for Friday, so looking good there. There's 61. We're at this little dinky level here, but does it have any more bite to it? A little here. I don't know. I think we let it ride. I guess that's where a little bit of the discretionary comes in. But especially if I see the dividend coming in, we just ride that out. 63, look at us go flat here, sideways. Yeah, we're in this chop. Ecolab on a 63. I'm okay to just dump this one. It's a flag pattern, so it could continue to go up, but we're still strapped for cash. It's because there's so many opportunities right now. Not very big gains in this one. Looks like I tried to sell this thing at the high here, probably. Yep, and it just never tagged. I say we let it roll then. You got the 9 coming up here to the 200 as well, right? So we'll leave the order in. Patience pays, and it's something that I have a lot of patience as an investor, but not that much as a trader. McDonald's been kind of on my radar too. 63. We're in all this mess here. 60. I really do kind of like to at least get him 65. I mean, I know I'm a chicken, but that was almost a retest there. There's another one. You can see similar shapes across all the stocks. We locked in a dividend there. Very nice. This one's setting up again. So hopefully we keep monitoring on that and we get our chance at redemption. Get what the hell I'm even looking at. I'm gonna lock in that dividend, so we shall definitely do that. 63. Apple's got a tiny dividend. Didn't we sell Apple? Let's find out here. Nope. Still got her. It's not to 65. The X date's on Friday. Well, let's see what happens. I mean, ideally we would get up here, but if you look at the dividend for Apple, it's a quarter. 24 cents on $181 is nothing. Is that 0.1% or something silly? I mean, it's not a big deal, but we're not up that much, and that's the kind of stock that can run. So Good earnings on it. Guess we'll let them run. We're not doing anything with the flips. Let's check the markets here. We pretty much have bought all the markets. We never got to 30 on this one. That's obviously was one. But I think we trade the diamonds for the Dow. All right. And fixed income, like I said, this isn't that much of a high dividend payer, but you see it's just been getting crushed. Getting crushed. We did get our good position filled, so we will be locking in this juicy dividend. 10 cents on $12 every single month is pretty awesome. All right, so even though we're a little strapped on cash, I still want to stay in flow. And if we see something that has value, we're going to go ahead and take care of it. Now, if you watched the previous video, we did statements as well for October. I do not have all my statements for all my main accounts. So as soon as I get those, we're not going to actually go through the statements, but I'll go through the thought process of where I move the money and what I'm going to be buying. So remember, it's not to show you what to buy, but maybe you can learn something from the thought process and just buying income. Yeah, see, really, this is the stuff we want to sell up in the 70s, but I just don't have much patience. So we'll try to crack through this. This, you could argue this one. It had the 30 down here, and then so this was your entry right here. But we're like right there. We are right there. And it's trading down in the post. I believe Merck is a dog. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll put this order in. I'll buy this one. It's definitely a Dow stock. So this said my brokerage says 103.42, but if this was our entry here, 103.63. So if we can get it for that, I'll take it. And we got to keep it light, or else we'll just get in some serious trouble by overbuying stock. So we've got it in. We'll see if it fills, but it's after hours, right? So we're going to go ahead and make our marks here. And if it doesn't fill and it runs away, that's okay. You know, but that will show our entry. And you could go through the rest of them too if you have cash or whatever. But at this point, like I said, it's not meant to be a trade alert service or anything like that. It's just meant to be showing the thought process of how people that compound income think about the stock market. And also remember, we do have the 1350 put on Hawaiian Electric this week, which that trade is looking very nice as well. So we're creating income in more ways than just collecting the dividend. And it's pretty cool to watch it run. But yeah, I've got too many stocks on here. I can't buy everything, even though I wish I could. And I guess maybe once I free up some capital, I could lower my position size. But when you start trading so small, when you get a good sell, you don't hardly make any real money. So you just can't be an action junkie. Like I said, we've got a few stocks that I was eyeballing maybe to put sell orders in today. So in the next couple days, hopefully we'll pull 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% gainers out of those, and that gives us more money for buying more stock. But the market's been pretty much up every day, and we haven't had any opportunity to buy flips. But when that turns around and it looks like, we're at a resistance level, so it could go either way. But we get us a down day, and you see the 9 coming. But we get us a down day, it's going to be on. We will buy a little bit of that as well, and that'll help us with some of these bigger positions get to a point where we can sell the premium, and that will be showcased on the premium selling video. So I hope this is helpful to you. Have a great evening. Let me know if I can help you, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.